Hello everyone, this is a presentation about intermittent fasting, which consists of its definition, history, do's and don'ts, benefits, as well as some social media links that promote this kind of diet. Let's check it out. Intermittent fasting can be defined as meal timing schedule that cycles between fasting and not fasting in a period of time. When it comes to fasting, you can either avoid eating completely or reduce your calorie intakes. When it comes to period of time, there are three types. Number one, time restricted fasting, where in a day you fast for a couple of hours. Number two, periodic fasting, where in a week you fast for a couple of days. Number three, day alternating fasting, where today you fast, tomorrow you don't fast, and repeat.
Now I'm going to tell you about the history of intermittent fasting. First, where did fasting originated? Ancient Greece is often crowned as the birthplace of fasting, and fasting can be traced back to the 5th century by the father of medicine himself, Hippocrates. Here is some early recorded cases of prolonged fasting. Both Tanner and Sagna-Suchi fasted for 40 days, and Alexander Jacques fasted for 30 days. However, this form of fasting began to take popularity in the early 2000s and was seen as a much better option than the full starvation fasting methods recorded earlier.
So what you should do when you're doing intermittent fasting? So you can do two things. So one of them is always keep yourself hydrated. Now, hydrate yourself nearly every time and avoid or limit in a way sugar sweetened drinks such as sodas, your favorite 100 plus drinks, Coca-Cola, and those type of drinks. Now, number two, put your diet and consist it with very high fibrous foods. These fibrous foods can consist from beans, fruits, and vegetables from all sorts of kinds.
Beside the do's, we also have the don'ts, or what you should not do during intermittent fasting. First and foremost, don't overeat during the eating window. Intermittent fasting is not a license for you to consume excessive calorie or indulge in unhealthy food. Make sure that you maintain portion control and make healthy food decisions during your eating window. And another one is don't ever neglect your sleep. Make sure that you prioritize your quality sleep, as it plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being. Avoiding proper rest can hinder the benefits of intermittent fasting and negatively impact your energy level.
People thought to lose some weight, you have to lose some fat. But actually, when we do some exercise, the first thing that we burn is glycogen. This is because glycogen is easier to be synthesized into glucose, which is the primary source of human energy. Your body stores some extra fuel in your muscles and liver in the form of glycogen. As blood glucose level falls during the fasting, the pancreas secretes increased amount of glycogen. When you start running out of the glycogen, your body will tap into the next fuel, which is lipid or fat. As your body burns fat, it reduces hunger and curbs food craving. So you eat lesser and you lose weight faster.
Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means that cells become more responsive to insulin, resulting in better blood sugar regulation. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin-resistant or type 2 diabetes. Lower fasting blood glucose levels indicates better blood sugar control. This is supported by Medical News Today article, which according to Wood 2023, when a person is fasting, their blood glucose level decrease.
Back in 2031, Chris Gunness shared that intermittent fasting can actually reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the things that lead to aging and several other chronic diseases. So the free radicals in our body react with other important molecules and damage them. So by practicing IF, it actually helps to protect ourselves from damage, reduce effects of heart disease, cancer, and other lifestyle diseases.
Next, I'll be talking about the social media links that promote intermittent fasting. The first video talks about the benefits of IF. Firstly, it enhances fat loss and it converts the excess fats into energy. Secondly, it improves the insulin sensitivity, which reduces overall risk of diabetes. Next, in the second video, he talks about the 4-4-12 rule in IF, which focuses on the principle of controlling the insulin. Lastly, the third video shares the 4 tips to simplify IF. First, avoid eating breakfast. Second, don't restrict yourself. Third, push morning coffee for lunch. And fourth, eating in the evening. To conclude, our bodies start making better decisions to eat balanced diet through IF.
These are our references, which means this is the end of our presentation. Thank you very much and goodbye.